I wonder if the reason why the Earth's axis began to tilt instead of straightening it from the beginning is geological and astronomical causes and providential spiritual space.
If we look at this 8 progress, when we created this earth, you don't know much about it anymore. Jinde, Gan, 8 directions. 8 heat in 8 directions is needed for the earth. But when the earth was first set up, the earth acted a little towny. Why is that? Because we put a lot of these glaciers on it, the earth is a little towny. So it's not a finished earth yet. Okay? The earth is being created. It's a process of creation, that is. So now it's tilted at 23 points, and it's in the process of being created, not a finished star. The earth is not finished by you. Earth is unfinished. Okay? That earth is my unfinished work. It's not finished yet. This is a lot of time, 7 billion years, 8 billion years, but it's an unfinished star with less than 10 billion Earths. It's 6,000 degrees inside, but it has to go up to 100 million degrees. The Earth is 100 million degrees from the Sun, but the Sun is Yongdo, and the Earth is 100 million degrees. On the contrary, you interpret it. If you go inside the Earth, you have a mentor. If you enter the ocean of that mantle in a submarine, you may be able to travel forward to the Earth mantle in a submarine that does not melt in the mantle. If times change, then in the Pacific Ocean into the Earth's mantle, in the region close to the first mantle. There is a part of the Pacific Ocean with a water depth of about 8,000 meters, which is about 8,000 kilometers. That's where scientists need to penetrate into the Earth. If an artificial satellite shoots into the Earth, it will enter. Then that satellite has a shell that is hundreds of billions of dong or 100 million dong, so it can penetrate all the rocks. And if you launch it, it will be. In the depths of that ocean, the proximity to lava is closer to going into the center of the Earth. Wouldn't it? So every one of those Pacific Oceans can go into the Earth. From the depths of the mantle's oceans are all fire. Okay? So why does it rest? Even after thousands, billions, tens of billions of years, it doesn't cool down, so it always maintains the temperature, ranging from 6,000 degrees to 100 million degrees. It's amazing. But it is an outright lie that the Earth star fell and the rock became the Earth. Don't believe the scientists. Well, scientists say everything they say about the universe is conjecture, okay? Just take my word for it. The sun is zero and the earth is history, but our textbook teaches that the sun is history and the earth is zero. It's a lie. Is that a lie? The temperature of the earth is zero when we go to the Continental Army over there. It's minus 200 degrees. Yeah, isn't it? Yes. As you gradually return and come to the image continent, after going through 8 stages, it will be minus 45 degrees. Image 45 degrees. That's the global temperature. The temperature of the earth goes up as it goes down into the earth. Every time you go 1 kilometer, every 100 meters, it goes up 1 degree. And when you go down there, you get 6,000 degrees of video and 100 million degrees, and the earth is heating up. If there is no magma in the earth will freeze, right? Then all the plants will die. The earth is a huge greenhouse. Well, the magma in the ground is creating a 45 minus 45 degree video for those plants to exist. Okay? But the first thing I did today is, how do you exist in the law of attraction? This is sold. Everyone has had enough lectures today. That's right. That's right. Don't fight with your husband again. It is very important not to fight with your wife. Even if you divorce later, you should always break up beautifully. We have to hope that each other will do well. Did you meet someone on purpose to ruin someone? No. I met you without knowing. If you don't know that you're not making it, then you can say goodbye beautifully and make it sound beautifully and go on your own path. If you say you're breaking up, you fight like an enemy and break up, you know. So everyone, the main point of today's lecture is not to fight. What about Hyo Jing Ying's space energy products?